Okay, guys, don't mind the mess in my room. But I just had hiccups. I don't have them anymore because it is one trick, which my mom's friend taught me. Works every time, and it only takes like 3 seconds, maybe 10. I need to show you. Okay, here it is. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to put one arm up and stick our tongue out. You're gonna keep your tongue out while you go like this, like 2-3 times. Okay, so go like this. And do that a couple times yourself. I promise you, it should work, and it works for me. Thank you, my mom's friend.